Good afternoon. There's a new amendment in Section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act. There will be no punishment, no jail. If you write down back of your check for these two lines. What are the two lines? Sometimes we have business with our partner or company partner or co-partner, and in good faith we give the check for as a security, but we always make sure that this check will not be put in the bank and that will not be in cash, and if the other person want to cash whom you have given the check, he will inform you accordingly. But after some time over petty matter you have some dispute, and to harass and torture you, he produced a check in the bank so that it should be either cash or should be bounced, and he so that he can take some legal action against you, because in 138 case there is a serious offense, and one person once a check is bounced has to go for regular bail, and then the case go on and there is a punishment and fine both also. So if you write down two lines back of your check that this check is meant for only security purpose, and the other person, the name should be mentioned, his mobile number should be mentioned, he will not misuse the check. In case you have some dispute later on, it may happen, or sometime the business go down, you have some problem with the partner and partner try to harass you and threaten you and go to the bank that he should cash the check, so that the check should be bounced, then you can intimate your banker accordingly that person is coming, that check should not be cash because of this reason, or if you want that further that you really want to pay the amount, and because there is a liability from your side that the amount is pending from your side, then you can act accordingly. And in that condition, if you write two lines in the check, and if the check is bounced and the matter go in the court, and after doing your regular bail and after evidence, you can always mention the check was, it was always clear to the honorable court that check was written not used for in cash purpose, that should be only for uh, security purpose, and he has misused the right, he has lose your confidence, and breach of trust was made by my co-partner. So the honorable court will look into the matter seriously, and you will not be put in the prison or fine, or later on it may be happen that there will be settlement also. I hope you find the information very productive. Thank you so much for listening to me. Regards.